Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic that many of you have been requesting. We'll be discussing the potential benefits of semen retention and NoFap in relation to erectile dysfunction. Now, before we dive into our list of 10 ways to use these practices to improve your sexual health, let's start by understanding what erectile dysfunction actually is. Erectile dysfunction, also referred to as ED, is the persistent inability to achieve or maintain an erection firm enough for sexual intercourse. While it can have various causes, such as underlying health conditions or psychological factors, some individuals have found that semen retention and NoFap can be helpful in managing ED. Firstly, practicing semen retention and abstaining from pornography and self pleasure can rewire the brain's reward pathway, reducing the reliance on visual stimulation for arousal. This can ultimately lead to a stronger connection between the mind and the body during sexual intercourse and experiences, potentially enhancing erectile function. Constantly practicing semen retention may increase the body's testosterone levels. Testosterone plays a vital role in sexual health, and having optimal levels can positively impact erections by improving blood circulation and enhancing libido. Another potential benefit of semen retention and NoFap is the increased sensitivity that many individuals report experiencing. With heightened sensitivity, individuals may find it easier to achieve and maintain arousal, leading to improved erectile function. Regular, regular ejaculation depletes the body of essential minerals and nutrients found in semen. By practicing semen retention, you allow your body to absorb and reuse these vital substances, potentially supporting overall sexual health, which contribute to better erectile function. Sexual energy, when harnessed and redirected away from frequent ejaculation, can be used to fuel other areas of your life. Utilizing this energy for personal development, creative pursuits, or physical activities can boost self confidence, self esteem, and subsequently improve erectile function. Semen retention and NoFap can help individuals break free from unhealthy sexual habits or addictions and regain control over their sexual behavior. This newfound self control and discipline can positively impact one's mental well being, reducing performance anxiety and stress associated with ED. Incorporating healthy lifestyle choices such as regular exercise, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep alongside semen retention and NoFap can have a synergistic effect on erectile function. A healthy lifestyle supports overall well being, which can contribute to better erections. Open communication with your partner about semen retention and NoFap can lead to a deeper understanding of one another's desires, boundaries, and expectations. A supportive and understanding partner can provide emotional and physical support throughout your journey for healing. Last but not least, it's important to remember that semen retention and NoFap may not be a universal cure for erectile dysfunction. Seek professional medical advice to identify the root causes of your ED and consider these practices as complementary tools in managing the condition. And there you have it, folks. Our top 10 ways to use semen retention and NoFap to potentially improve erectile dysfunction. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. The key here is to prioritize your overall well being and make informed decisions that align with your specific needs. As always, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your lifestyle or seeking alternative methods. If you found this video interesting or helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell to never miss an update. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.